Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can create your very own working grappling hooks in Minecraft. So yeah, let's get to the commands. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is you need to place down a command block, and how you can get a command block is use /give and then your name, or @p and then command block. You just type it in and it will come up here. You type that down and it will give you a command block. You want to place that down, you want to turn it to you want to click it 2 times and turn it on and repeat, and then always active, which is already this one. And then you want to paste in the command that I put in the description of the video, this first one, which is this, as you can see. And then you'll need to place down another command block as repeat, always active, and then paste in the second command. It does not matter which order these commands are in, but I have the last one in my copy and paste thing. I just have to paste that in. You have to check that all of them are repeat and always active, which they are, and then it should work like this. It's pretty cool, I think. It might be a little underrated, or it might be a little overrated, but I think I'm going to make a texture back for it so it really looks like a grappling hook. And something cool you can do is, like, parkour. Like, if I were going to place down something like there, which I can't reach, I could, like, try to throw a grappling hook right there, and then I can get teleported to the block, which is pretty cool. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. See you next time.